Right, and here is a spaceship I made earlier. Yes, as it happens with all spaceships of mine. Right. Blub dub blub. Oops. Why won't it let me push the button? Ugh. Right, I can push tab, look around. There we go. I can go to space now. Okay. This is a little starter base I made for myself. See if I can manage to land on it properly. Ugh. External. So this game's pretty cool because you can just build any contraptions you want really, or link them all together. So landing gear just to get that to work. Let's try and land. Controls are a bit sensitive at the moment. Cool. There we go. At the moment it seems blocks can only be destroyed by weapon fire, but if I move the mouse over that, F4 takes me back to the character. There we go. And a little base I've made. Over there in the distance, that is the starter base area that you go into when you first start up the game. Lots of tutorials and starter ships there. But I thought I'd break out and start my own. Again, you can link things together with switches, so I've got that there, open up, quite fun. There's like a hinge block that you can then put down and then attach things to. And it's only when you're attaching to anything related to that hinge block which will be moved, so it means you can get really nice flush joins on things. Reactor, always good, and then back up again. Yay. I've got a volumetric sensor there, so anything within an area around the door will trigger the door. So that's quite fun. Oh, and me messing around with signs. But, really nice scenery in this game. Jumping still needs to be improved. Oops, where have I gone? There you go. Yeah, that's the height of jumping. But this game is in early access. That's to be expected. Button there for the canopy. Right. You see down there, those are all the different connection blocks you can use to connect everything together. What's that one do? Yeah, that binds different hotkeys. So that one, I've actually got assigned the number 1, which is only when I'm connected to the joystick. So if I push tab, it means that it allows me to free look. If I push 1 now, that opens up the canopy. I've got the guns attached to the mouse, primary mouse trigger. Always fun. Right. Taking off. The landing gear up. Oh, that does work. Cool. Right. Tab on the outside also allows you to change the view. So I'll put the landing gear up. Again, this is all done using hinges and slide blocks, which allows you to just do all sorts really. A lot of fun. There's no atmospheric kind of stuff at the moment, so I can just open the canopy up even if, well, I'm still in the atmosphere, but a lot of fun so far. If you attach large engines to your ship, you automatically get sort of I can't remember what it's called. What is it called? Light cruise. There we go. See things. There we go. Quite a nice design, really. Oops. Yeah. Mouse is definitely a bit sensitive for things. Where is everything? There's a base over there. Middle click highlights. And just, yeah, good fun. Right. Landing in space, and thank you for watching.